Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with simple and tasty recipe. Today I am going to make apple crumble. Ingredients: 2 chopped apples, 100 grams brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 250 grams maida, 250 grams butter, 100 grams sugar. Take 2 chopped apples and brown sugar in a bowl. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence to the mixture. Take maida into a bowl. Mix maida, butter and sugar till the mixture resembles bread crumbs. Pour the prepared apple mixture in a cake tin. Spread the crumble mixture over it. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Place the tin in the microwave. Now bake the crumble for 20 minutes.
Twenty minutes later.
Take out the tin from the microwave. Serve it hot with vanilla ice cream or hot custard. Thank you for watching my video. Hit the like button, comment, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified if I upload any video. Thank you.